get some things when we say you break out from, then you they try to introduce out to the society. They go tell you say no.
Because
no.
especially when the society don't they used to bat. And so sometimes society need to like embrace change.
Yes, they're not like open eye.
They like embrace new thing. They like the same way. Just like some people now for this country now, they prefer make give them rice and material and bread during election. Ma collect one, if collect now because we know see that after 4 years. Some go say no collect vote. We go say whether you collect or not, they go see what they want.
Go win.
Some also go collect exactly.
Yeah.
You understand? So no matter how you try to some society people now go say what you want.
That one not concern me.
All right.
You say material and rice 1,000 naira uncle. You know mention.
Lady J get kata and cold. I just
where you
felt
go
it.
yesterday?
You feel like say you get cold.
And a dust enter my nose, so I dey react to him.
So how did date?
Wait, before now talk about date. Why both of now they wear a touch of red still today? Wait till they go on.
Who be the both of us?
You and Harambe.
What the red for
you don't see the red.
I have a droplet of red all over my
droplet of red.
So why do you have a touch of red to Mr. Godwin?
You have a slice of red.
Because we still be loving people.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
The love of God has been shared abroad in our hearts.
One deal.
And you can notice the similarity we have because we are married and we are in love. But for the two single people here.
Yes.
But wait, how me and you when we men go don't they marry? Then two women among us just decide to see the no one.
How we decide? You there our mind? Or our hearts?
I just feel say now you never make.
Now you they assume.
No, because you know say Becca don't grasp because Becca knows
you know what happened? These ones they don't want to settle for less.
Thank you.
So they say they wait for
their philosophy now.
Not two different philosophies.
No, their philosophy now no be how quick. Now how well. No be who first marry. Now marry the right way. Because some people rush enter 20 something.
They rush come out to
20 something they don't tule. You understand?
They don't
and some people wait till like 40 when they enter finish.
They enjoy.
They are happy every day.
But some people still day when they marry 18 years they still day together.
Exactly now. And they also get some way we say wait till 40 when they enter they run.
They run come out too.
So
no manual really.
So it depends on individual.
But you go they shout no manual. But now tell me we can't shout on top of my head.
See the conversation why for enjoy. I wish not there and when me and Becca get when
daddy
right.
No, another one
so I want to ask you one question right now. Godwin, with all sincerity and with what you they fear with the Bible when you know and fear of God when I believe say you get to even though say not get 100% Godwin. I want to ask you the truth. Tell me what you probably go make person marry at the age of 45, 50 or 67. Waiting for probably little things like
person
that.
Person never married before.
Yes.
Wait, person wait go make person
wait till that like 40.
Yes.
40,
plenty reasons for day.
Just name a few.
One of them feel be say the person the girl need to meet the right people.
One.
God bless you, one.
Second one, if he be say the girl if he say I don't want marry first now. I want first achieve some things.
Which is good.
Which is
career.
Career. I want to set up myself first. I don't want to be liability to any man.
God bless you.
God take some time. Some feel be based on emotional issues. Maybe you don't see their papa maltreat their mama.
Yes, so they don't want face things like that.
So maybe it takes them a longer time.
Yes, to
settle
down.
Over that, to reach that level and say, look, okay, I feel accommodate marriage now.
Okay.
So many reasons they. You understand?
Some people
say.
Now you ask questions.
Some people say. Then just they do shakara because maybe their priorities no dey straight. You understand? Maybe what should they look for in a man? All the ones wey come, nobody reach that level. But instead of looking, say even though this person never reach that level, potential dey to reach there, he dey find ready made.
God bless you. In all of this when you talk so, the similar thing when similar to everything I say, there is a reason why that be like that. If all these things not dey waiting for happen. You for marry early.
Every normal woman
want marry young.
See, once you don't reach like 25, between 25 and 30, every normal woman
human being
desire to
be woman.
Every normal woman be whether man or woman
yes.
At between 25 and 30, you go like get somebody where you fall in love with, you start your family together, start your life together,
God bless
get
you.
Children and all those stuff.
But because of all these reasons now,
so many things
delay in time, people come and say you will come marry at that age. Not be say you just wake up.
Say no, I won't wait till 40.
I won't wait till that is what I was trying to paint to Becca that day.
Nobody they wake up say I don't want marry till I reach 40.
You won't start waiting, go finish.
You understand?
See, Mr. Godwin, waiting I talk that day. When Kemi Adetiba Adetiba
They
when
engage at
say she don
42.
dey engage at 42. I come say if she fit get love at age 42, say me I never reach that, I go definitely get my own. Na there this guy get problem. He come say why I go talk say if she fit get love at 42. I can't say wetin dey wrong with that statement.
But wetin dey wrong? Nothing dey wrong with the
Please,
statement.
now wetin dey
See,
wrong?
this is where we get it wrong.
Wetin dey wrong with that statement?
You know why I don't trigger by wetin Becca talk? Earlier when I dey read through comment, I see so many people they use that as motivation. But wetin I talk now say the reason why make Kemi Adetiba wait till 42 to dey engage, you don't have such reasons. And even if you have such reason, your life is different from Kemi Adetiba. So because Kemi Adetiba waits, you don't know if now because Kemi make choice, okay, I want to pursue my career in movie. Let me place my focus on this.
But,
I want to hold on. I want to pursue, but I don't get heartbreak severally. Now let me stay.
But when you use the word wait, say reason why she waits. Okay. We not say she waits. Now the right time, the right time she get the right person.
Because of the reason she not one.
No, you know what? I say we no fit say wait because I don't hear one or two G's before
about
say
her.
she be done there in one or two relationships before
When
no
no
work
work.
out. So instead
So
of
those are reasons why she end up
and
getting engaged at
because of the
42.
kind of person where she be in terms of she school abroad, she want to be one of the best directors.
In
So
Nigeria.
Instead of her to sit down, they stress herself, say no man, no nobody. She just they make the best of her career. If it happen, it happen.
Yeah.
So now at the time when it can't happen, that happen. So if you ask her, I'm sure say even if she go even
She
tell
go give you why
she go
reasons
prefer
why.
to marry earlier.
So my point
but she
now
no
na
rush
say-
enter anything. She
Yeah,
just
that's
wait
what-
till the right person come.
My
so,
point now say because Kemi do one, not me say you go do
you know me
one.
say she won't do that. If Becca see
Abi?
the right person today, but in the next 1 year she go marry.
But why
the thing be
why
say-
you get problem with that word where I say
No, but
if I had to get love at
you know the
42,
motivation
why
with
you
the
get
thing- the
problem
problem
about
that
that
Don't
word?
use somebody's motivation.
No, no.
They use
Why
If everybody get reason
No,
why
No,
they wait.
No,
and
you
I
know
get
why?
my own reason too. You don't know everything about me. I tell you that day.
You know the positives that go
I
come from
go,
that
if somebody
thing.
asks me to, I
Becca,
still
wait,
give them my
you
own
know the
reason as
positives that go
well.
come from that Becca statement where she makes. So many ladies go make this statement now because say what is she? What makes me I believe say she dey talk be say at 42, it not dey impossible for her to get am. Not be say she dey wait till reach 42, but she
Thank
know
you.
say
Now you dey
still
explain
dey.
na right
No.
now.
Based on what she
dey
talk,
explain-
I just know say what she
based
talk.
on wetin she
No,
feel.
what she dey talk be say
You know,
if this girl get
my
to her
body
42,
that make her
she
explain.
no
Just
need to-
use him
she
big
no
voice
need to
cover
wait
it.
till
Yeah,
reach
feel your
42.
body down,
I
feel your
beg
body
She
you.
know say hope still dey and she fit still get am right. If this girl get her at 42, she fit get am at before then sef or even at. But the point be say,
And there's a possibility she can also get it too.
but the reason that she will not do wetin.
She cannot get it too.
But I
She
don't
cannot
understand.
get it at the age of 42 too, even when she gets there.
So nobody does-
Her own fit dey different say na 45, not you. Another person fit dey
Now
different say
they-
na
no,
45 or na
now they
50.
tell you so,
So
but-
now una say
so
don't make
na
comparison with some
inspiration.
things.
No.
Your own life different from
No
other
be
people's life.
comparison, na inspiration say no matter your age.
Inspiration.
Like, I don't even
For
get.
instance, they say the person wey start this. Okay, man. For analysis sake, I will call the name. The man wey start KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Now for America, he come 9 and started before he reach
The
here.
franchise and the rest.
I hear say the man now at the age of 60. You understand? At the age of 60, other than KFC or one of those brands like that, saying at the age of 60, the man get the idea to start that particular brand. We don't become worldwide brand at the age of 60. An average Nigerian parent at the age of 60 don't they think of retirement?
Yeah.
And when they think of retirement, they think about to start in business. So now to sit down for her to collect pension. Now the few ones will be business-minded billionaires, maybe the $10. I don't know. All those ones say if they need 60, they still want to make more money. But an average African parent at 60 don't they think my children go see begin give me money, I can retire. But somebody in the US come up with concept where even though he don't die now, in generations see they enjoy them. Because why age na only number. Age no fit stop somebody from achieving anything at a particular age. That's why at the two I tell you, so one young person where they at 40 now, if you say if this man fit start this franchise at 60, it's never too late for me. I fit still start world-class brand at 62. You know me saying one way to in this 60
before
but
he
the
gets
tell
am.
say no, nothing
Is
too
that not a
impossible to get.
motivation?
Now the motivation where they shit they get sef na.
Everybody they inspired by the life of other people. Now the truth be that, so if I dey inspired by wetin somebody do, e no dey bad, e no dey wrong.
I not say.
I know me say she
No,
dey
but
want
so
to
why
reach
you
that
get problem
age
with
because
that?
she achieve am.
You get problem with that, and then they
As
still they wonder
in,
why.
To the extent say a lot of people wey send in message say they attack am because you know
They
they hear
attack-
word.
they say-
They attacked you.
They don't attack
They say if somebody choose to wait till 40 or whatever age to get married,
na
na your
just
decision
na
be
just
that.
encouragement. Say
Your
if you
decision
dey
dey
at that
different from the
age,
person wey use as
For
an
instance,
example.
for
Now they
instance,
tell you.
for instance,
R&B,
my
R&B.
For instance, the
R&B,
first-
make
the
I tell
first-
you
Let me ask
something.
one question. Hold on,
Wait,
hold on. Go to the
no,
matter.
no, no.
Wetin be your
R&B,
reason why you still dey single when you never marry?
R&B.
Me, I no go answer you.
Me sef, I no go answer you.
Yeah.
Because you
Now,
don't get to
R&B.
that level already.
decision be
R&B,
that.
make
You
I
cannot
tell you
bring it on
something.
radio. They must
Is
put
it
it
the
on
same with
radio.
Kemi Adetiba? No.
R&B, R&B,
No.
R&B. Make I
The
finish.
reason I marry at early stage, not the same reason why you marry at early stage.
R&B.
So the
R&B. First of all, you
got
gats understand. Say we no dey compete with anybody.
Abi o.
Everybody get their own their relay. Everybody run their race.
Thank you.
So no dey compare me with other person. Secondly, e dey very very unfair. R&B, e dey very very unfair and unkind for you to dey tell a matured lady say she decide say she no wan marry. E
Who I
dey very very.
tell? Who I
You deny
tell?
me dey ask you dey ask say
why
why this
be
age
their-
and never
wetin be
and
their
then wetin be my reason.
Wetin be your reason?
Why you
I'm
go
not telling
ask
you-
me
Okay,
for
I don't
wetin?
ask you.
No.
Okay.
I reserve that right to keep am to myself. Na me know wetin dey
know
go
what?
on.
Because you don share am before, so I have to say you go use as example, share am again.
For
now.
instance now, okay, I don't be ask one question. What age you dey when you make your first 1 million? When you first look your account, say I don't get 1 million. Which age? Your first million.
17, I think 17, 18.
Oh.
1 point something, yeah.
You know how many years I be before I make my first 1 million?
The year suppose, I know it's not supposed to be my own. Because nobody say rope time me and you.
You're on 17, ba?
18,
I
17,
make my
18.
first 1 million when I be 28.
Your life different from my own.
Good.
Na now you
Then
know
now you
the
know
right-
now you dey talk am.
No, listen, no.
Hold on, are you getting my point?
Okay, now, so-
everybody get your own life. So because Kemi Adetiba married at the age of 47 does not mean you say if he can do it, me too can do it. That's what I'm trying to point to you.
me,
Una
daddy.
dey mix me up.
Na you-
At the end of the
hey.
day, una dey talk the same thing.
No, we are not saying the same
no,
thing.
no.
That's different thing
It don't be
entirely.
like say Godwin will come to us say as I then as somebody when they hear Godwin now will come to us say okay if Godwin can make verse 1 million at the age of 28 I can also do it. That's you already limiting yourself to
You no
society
limit
arrangement. You
yourself.
can't do it
Not
less
the
than my
limitation
age.
No,
that
no.
you said the person can
I don't
achieve.
see that, but
Not
no,
to
no.
say you dey
For
limit
instance, now,
yourself.
you get
For
to
instance,
something
for
motivate
instance now,
somebody.
Na English dey worry
you know
this
say you
guy.
get so many
Na English dey
you know
worry
say you
you.
get so many young Nigerian celebrities now. Artists will be 19, 20,
Now
21.
put the tempo say me no dey
Wait
compare
first now,
yourself with people.
wait first
Oh,
now.
goodness.
Artists will be 19, 20, 21, 22. We say they don't make several millions. You understand? Meanwhile, in as much as we get people where they 20, 21, all these artists where they make money, we also get some people, some of their classmates will be 26, 27. Whenever I even see 500, where they struggle. Now, those ones now, if you say, if this artist at a younger age, 17, 18, don't they make millions? If R&B make the first million at 17, I don't they 26 now. I know if you feel bad because I know say that there's also a Godwin way making own at 28.
28.
Now that person if you take inspiration from the fact say even if I don't make them at a younger age, hope still there for me. Because it get people where we say they make their first million at 30. Some make their own at 20.
Yeah.
The one we make their own at
40
20.
cents,
The one we make their
40
own at 20. No get half what the one we make your own at 30.
I like the
get now.
fact say you dey make
You
different
understand? So now
but
different examples.
My own point
now.
now be say, bro, you just see everybody destiny different. When you get some things when you not supposed to use as comparison or motivations, especially when it comes to marriage. I married at the 20 of 29. Not me say on that person go marry that same age, bro. Your life different from my life. You get me? Not build your decisions based on waiting hard one live my own. I don't know. See my point where they come from. I believe say they different from the one that they look at.
The thing is that then they see inspiration. Say it is not too late. At any time, if you say achieve what you want to achieve, they say for that belief when they get say
Yeah,
not
so that
too
means-
late.
that means
say
that
say
same age or after they
No.
want-
The general concept that say it's not too late to achieve. Just like I give example of the
Exactly.
man who start in business at the age of 60 and the one who don't become worldwide brand. Meanwhile, some people they retire at that same 60. You understand? At 70, some people still want to be president of Nigeria. Meanwhile, some people parents don't they go retire. You understand? So motivation and motivation regardless of the age, but
Okay.
not say because somebody they
motivate.
look somebody who don't go ahead saying the motivation. I think they wait till you reach that age. No.
Now
Now
wetin
motivation.
you-
dey
Okay,
there.
now waiting
like
you
this.
mean.
Fight.
Now waiting they.
No. I don't get anything to
Now
discuss.
wetin you
I beg.
mean? I don't move to another
I
thing
be out
before
on
you bring
Valentine
quarrel
be
come.
yesterday.
Our Valentine Day we dey for.
Go ask the ladies. Becca, how your Valentine?
How you
You
go ask
already
them?
know the answer now. You know, say I travel now for road. I dey enter Lagos for you later
Okay.
evening. That's all.
Okay, Becca's sister just born pikin, so.
So
I for like talk, but the topic we won't get before don't go permit me to talk. So Lady J, we'll move to Lady J.
How my
They
Valentine?
deliver the DJ Valentine
Yeah,
package here
I see her
yesterday.
yesterday, but Lady J not coming. Me, I come lehu.
Where I see you?
I was downstairs.
Even
I
me
don't
when
see
they
you.
enter the studio, I don't even see the content.
Yeah.
I only see the box.
Godwin and lie. Lady J
They
not
just
share
show
with
me the content now. You don't even say I got this watching them bring nothing. You do like I know
You
this
vex
studio.
for me now. So it can't kill my spirit.
you. How you tell no? So best person they beg. That means you supposed to take use and take beggar.
Oh.
Beg
say
her
no
for
vex.
waiting.
Oh.
Take
Beg
this
her for
small thing.
You
waiting.
say if they say back for waiting, it means say you know if you say you do anything wrong,
Yeah.
what make the best for you. What I wait for you for you know do something wrong.
With the way Lady J they talk, it's like saying her food. Now let's food
Not,
Lady J not
not be
take
fool. She do something wrong. One no like I can't scold them.
In the presence of the intern.
No, not be what you mean by presence of.
She
I don't
did there when you
understand.
dey scold me.
No, see, you know some kind of reaction episode will just come out. Reaction will just come out without even thinking. You understand? Not with that one.
say
That one
yes
no
to
mean
the
say no
content.
content. Me say see what you
No,
get inside
that's
this
no.
package.
He pay me. I no go lie. And I felt you were upset, so I no talk anything.
Okay.
But anyway, should I still carry some come if you are still interested?
I don't
wait
even
till you
know
don't
what
carry
it be.
go as come, but wait till you be.
It could concern you. Are you God? You be Godwin.
Na their workshop crew. Leave them.
Okay, I
You
know
be
they involved.
Are
Godwin.
you a
But if
workshop?
you dey interested, unko.
But what if I dey interested?
Abba.
Waiting.
What do you have to say? What if
About
I dey
what?
interested?
Abba Lady J.
What
It's
if you have
Valentine,
a
you share
DJ?
love. If you have shared
Why
love,
you don't share love?
share
The drink where you say, I don't see. Man, not tell me anything. Oh, I make Naija FM win. The drink where you say go buy for me, you buy am.
Thank you.
You don't hear they tell me say share
You know,
love.
when I shout on scam us now, it said that they will give winning prize. We never see the winning.
He
prize.
promised me by himself.
Say
He go buy drink for me.
okay, R&B fulfill your
So
promise.
because of that problem, I make you know what
What?
share love.
Hey,
Valentine.
don't try, don't change am. Oh.
So you dey wait.
No, just change
Since
am.
You not remind me because you know say I go ask for Valentine love, so I mean you take target
we'll
me.
talk about Valentine love. Shout out to OTB and one other man. I don't forget his name. Yesterday, one lady called woman. From Abuja said she just want to greet us. We dey make her laugh. She dey enjoy the show. She dey enjoy it. Because how you dey spend your Valentine? And she said, she there. She get belle. I said, okay, your husband. Because say the husband don't die.
Oh.
She don't already get the
sad.
belle before the man die.
Wow.
So since last year, belle don't even big. I said she know they go and she just there. So I said, so who be your Valentine? She don't get Valentine. I said, okay, make her be your Valentine. So just I'll call you, copy your number. Make you send me your account. Ma buy. I know what you want eat. She said she go like small chops. I said okay, I go add wine,
Yeah.
or non-alcoholic wine, whatever. OTB they hear when they come. One other, and then those people say, I touch them. They won't give the woman Valentine. And so OTB said send the woman money. The other guy send the woman money.
Oh, that's
Yeah, so
It's all
three
about
of
sharing
us
love.
send her Valentine love money. so
That's
she get three
great.
Valentine one day.
Yeah.
So
mean,
hey yeah,
also-
That's
you when I tell you share with person,
Hey, I share.
Yeah.
Even this morning, self, I see share.
but you not share give me.
No, so because of God, I don't share give you. Now, I be saying share no mean anything.
important
Even
people
before we
for
start,
your life.
across the bridge, I don't go downstairs. Go share love.
So imagine you come up, leave me for up, go share.
So
give
if you
me.
waiting.
Ladies, they say
You want to-
charity begins at
Begins
home.
at home.
You don't share
R&B.
with us. Yeah,
R&B.
you don't go share.
I
What's
don't tell you
happening?
so anytime. Say this your mat. They very rough.
So that make you not share give
You know,
me.
you know, sabi talk. You know, sabi pitch where you waiting
I
you
know the
want.
singer now. Why
You
would
know,
you pitch?
Lady
who
J,
tell you say
Lady
na only
J,
singer dey
pitch.
pitch.
Lady J, you need to look for construction.
You don't laugh.
You need to look for construction company to construct R&B.
R&B no need that one. You stubbornness. He pass waiting.
Shout out to my angels.
Get out of here.
And Zumba, they sent me
No, but
Valentine
don't rest. Oh.
package
You
yesterday.
never give me my.
Shout out to my angels. Ronke and Zumba. I enjoyed the package. They sent delivery to me for Valentine yesterday.
They don't
Shout
redeem
out to
themselves
them.
now.
They send and come now. Package yesterday. Shout out
Lady
to
J, I see one my chef.
Get out.
no, she go give us after we off the microphone.
Get out of here.
No, only your head. Lady J, if you agree, say you go give me
Lady J,
something.
Ah, no, they give you R&B.
Lady J, but what?
Beg.
I'll buy the
Lady J,
drink for you.
Apologize, beg.
But Lady J, I dey curious.
Even that thing, I know they beg for. I'm
Lady
talking
J,
of you.
I
Beg,
Lady
apologize.
J,
Waiting.
you first dey share for that. You know share for Becca. You know
you
share
imagine?
for me.
That
Becca no dey na.
Today you go
Today,
share
you say
today.
you go share for downstairs.
And we
I
don't
only
dey
give
here.
one person downstairs. I don't give everybody
Who here now
downstairs.
say
But
share
you say
give
that then
everybody?
I
Because
say
you know
I
what
don't
share
want to
give
disclose
us.
who I
That's what
share.
Nigerian government they do. They
Even
say they go
before-
say they release billions of naira for
Early
poor
this
people.
morning,
We know
I
we share
share
money.
love. Early this morning, I
But
share
wait,
love.
men
Why
are
we
wait.
not receive the
Men
love?
are wait. Talking about sharing of love. HR send email yesterday. Say the people where they pick made
They not pick my sister.
nobody pick me for this company.
You serious?
You sure?
I am
You don't go
like
ask, they say nobody
the
pick you.
paper
You sure say
still
your
dey
name
inside
still dey
the
there?
bucket.
You don't
wey dey
confirm
put
your
am.
name, you sure?
I say no dey. Nobody pick me. Na so
For
I bad
inside.
But
reach.
your name dead there.
Yes, nobody pick
No,
my
I think
name.
wetin happen.
Becca,
Becca is too expensive.
Becca, I'll go pick
Na
you.
him make
No,
am.
I dey very. They say that because I
Becca,
dey
too
expensive.
expensive.
How I
Okay.
be? You never buy me something before.
You are too expensive.
I can't
Becca.
No,
believe
I mean,
this
wait,
from you.
wait,
Your
wait,
belly dey
Becca.
corner. I don't
Becca,
calculate
as
how much I
nobody-
want spend.
I can't
Becca,
believe
as
this.
nobody pick you,
Nobody
I don't
picks me.
pick you now, and I go buy you Valentine.
Since
You know
like
the
the way they
Valentine.
even pick sef.
Hold on, yeah,
You know the
wetin
Valentine
want
go
talk.
buy
They
for
talk
you
am with
today.
confidence.
We go send Nasiru go buy Amala.
No, I don't
No,
want.
if Becca don't tell us I go even buy her food. Becca
I
don't
don't
like
want
food like
amala.
that again. You chop am. You come from
I
Ibadan.
will leave until next week. The
don't
next
still
year.
want
rather.
amala.
Why be saying only amala?
No, I don't want amala, Baba Gode, but I want ajoke rice. You know, you
Okay,
know
I
the
go
deal.
send Nasiru to buy ajoke rice. I go
So you
pick
go
you.
buy me ajoke rice tomorrow, R&B.
Nah,
You promise me
amala,
food
nah,
now.
amala,
I
nah.
don't want amala. I don't see
She
my
want
stomach don't turn to
she
amala
want
already.
ajoke rice.
Ajoke
and-
rice.
I know ajoke
And
rice and
chicken
chicken
laps.
with salad.
Yeah, and salad.
You know how much for chicken now? 1 kilo.
See this guy wey dey
Ah,
talk.
that food, if I off
Baba
my head, if I
Gode.
calculate that food like this now,
Baba
Now what
Gode.
3K?
add
Baba Gode.
1.8 to 1.3.
That's almost 1
That's 3 1
3K.
plus
Prince Daddy,
300
Prince Daddy, don't forget say I be I
You
join
this-
hands
you this
to make
conniver.
sure say
You
you
this
get
conniver.
good Valentine's.
Syndicate of my wife.
Wait, exactly. Abi don't tell us yesterday now.
Tell you.
See,
I
see
dey set am up.
He see me this
You
one.
make am choose back
no,
himself.
Yeah, he see me this one. He don't know how to
I
tell
want
me.
press
He
his
first
neck.
look me like this.
So see, if any secret leak of my outside doings now, you are going to suspect because you are my wife and connivers.
No go bite
best friend,
yourself.
connivers.
Connivers.
Me na today na Nico wan give me my own. I don't know wetin you wan
Now
give me.
today,
so-
prof to go give her a
I
bill.
barely prof.
Na prof make you.
No, I don't lose hope. You not go buy anything for me. Now why when I want buy something for person,
You buy a mug. What do you say, buy a
I
mug?
buy a mug. May they drink hot tea.
I know wetin prof go give.
I be telling you, go bring her akara.
Prof go give akara here.
Hold on,
If
stop
papa
that.
bury her, he go give akara wey no pay.
Not me, the first person to talk this thing. Now you're one prof, not bring any.
Because prof get excess akara.
Lady J, who pick you now? Who pick you?
HR pick me.
Oh.
I know she give Lady J pack. If you see the
Nah,
bag,
Yeah.
Ankara, they inside the.
she give Lady J
bag.
big
Hold
pack.
on. Wait, that thing when they come up for HR office, now
Yes,
Ankara
now
package
Ankara I
inside.
put inside.
Which kind of packaging with that? Ankara material.
In fact,
Yes.
that
Okay, for how
packaging.
much for Ankara
No, but
material?
even that
No, it's
packaging
not
now,
about how much,
that
uh-uh.
packaging just remind us of
No
Nigeria.
HR now. HR
It be
supposed
like
to buy
Nigeria.
car for
It be
the
like
gym.
Nigerian government.
Hey,
It be like Nigerian government.
Who you want go
Because
by
if you see
me?
the way they bring the package,
be
go
me.
give Lady J.
It shocked me.
You know, they say Ankara dey inside. Ah, that's so
I
government.
see, now small man, they play Dorime follow the thing come.
The only two way remember that they all right on top the package change.
Change.
When you open this side,
They call they play Dorime. So when I see I ask, they say now for Lady J, and I be like, wow, that means say HR don't want shock Lady J. So now Ankara,
na Ankara.
he put money where I want to sew the
No,
cloth.
Why you go still put money wey she go use sew am? Like, are you kidding? Oh, may we move
well,
to
shout out to Lekon for the box wey he
Baba
give
God,
me.
wetin happen?
Why una no
Because
share
now
am?
they do shout out to Lekon. Wetin happen?
What happened?
no, they can't.
So
Yeah, what
you
happened?
connivance with Lady J.
Yes, what
you
happened?
hindered the thing that was sent by Lekon.
No,
And you dey fight Lady J say not share with you.
it just not occurred to me.
You know never
Of course.
Moreover,
occur.
you know, say me.
No.
Once I carry anything in this house,
It don't finish.
it don't finish. The
No,
adults
but
don't
wait till the
forget.
house. We say why be say shout out. Our own where is
Not
no
shout
shout
out.
out? You still never
Okay,
understand.
you are
I understand
speechless.
fully.
You
You are
speechless.
speechless.
That's how you
Even
make
when the
me
same comment
feel.
OTB make yesterday.
Yeah. What's going on?
I'll work on that.
This one that way people say you
I
start
will-
with
I will-
our.
I'm blast.
I will work on it.
I mean, you and me, eh?
I'll work on it. I don't even know say inside the park wey they come say come in new single dey there for card say make a scan and enjoy the track make I let
Okay,
that so the track na
back
for
on.
na for private for me to listen and let them know that they not knowing say no be for public so as I do video move for Instagram
Oh, you can't go
people
post
come
am.
begin go dey scan the code on the so now they come me say the
Wetin
music
happen?
wey they never drop
You go the streamer.
the crowd don dey full the place wey dey go
Wow.
overstream and be say make I remove the video.
Video sharp
Okay.
sharp.
So I can't get to delete the video. That part of the video we get
The barcode.
And all that. So
Before we go, time don't go. You get one lady where we say
now you want to me do now. What I tell you? What I want to me do with that?
They say FCTA don't detain one female beggar because they find in a possession of 500,000. In a possession plus $100 for inside Abuja. Now the money where she don't.
Godwin, can we make beggar our part-time work?
So why did they arrest her?
They say the Federal Capital Territory Abuja said they detained a female beggar Adiza Ibrahim, where they already in possession of cash up to 500,000 and $100 in Abuja. Say the spokesperson for the Federal Capital blah 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 blah. Talk say the woman they inside their agency custody for Buhari. They say the suspect had yet to explain how she came about with the money. How she won't take explain.
I don't understand. So that crime. I don't know. First of all.
This is 500K.
Wait, that be big.
Okay, now her life savings.
No,
life begging.
Be somebody if he just decide to walk out. Okay, but I give you one example now. So he was coming to America in those days.
Yeah.
When the movie they form saying be poor guy.
Yeah.
Back all the dollar. When he drop dollar for those beggars, you know see how their life change.
Now movie be that.
No, if you have one Nigeria, yeah. No, somebody
500K for beggar. I go turn beggar standing right now.
Somebody if they pass there, we decide to say okay. Take this money.
Do not be beggar, Godwin. It's not realistic.
Somebody give her it
not 500K.
No, that 500K not if not be for one person, and that don't be money. Total money they see for your hand.
Total money.
Now they tell you. So what if one person give her 100K, or if that money she don't gather for
like
a while?
Say one beat am.
You understand?
You won't go beat am.
What if she don't gather money for a while?
If na her life begging, I go understand.
And so, but I don't understand.
Or in 1 week begging, I go understand.
Law we say.
No, for the arrest, I not dey support of her.
Say you get law wey dey against begging for street. If you get law wey dey against begging, fine, they arrest am. If na because the country of money dey in hand, I don't understand. Say they don't go arrest government to ask why is this woman begging.
But wait, say beggars never hear of. The government never hear of beggars wey build full house.
But not be once they take one now.
So I don't understand.
For police to arrest and there's something fishy.
No, so as they take according to the statement, they say the reason that because they see 500K for your hand.
So
500K now too much money for this country. No, it will be too much money now. Now the level of poverty we did, I mean they look at that. See, I tell you one big man, if he just give up 100K, I don't know if he don't give up 50K. It depends on what they talk.
Maybe now her life begging or weak.
Somebody if he don't give up, or maybe get something else which they do with the money. I don't know, but
that money not be once they give and see and not in different denomination.
You see, and not be once and then maybe she don't even get a house or something. She keep money for her together herself. You know, you have the Nigerian guy where they are abroad, where to say leave $1,000 for your house. Come out. The house get CCTV camera everywhere. He leave $1,000 for your house. Come out. When he come back, he don't see the money. He can't go meet the Ukrainian people. Say, I don't see money. When they check CCTV, landlord say, "May go meet this one. Go meet this one." They say then check. Say that particular time. When the money lost, the camera no work.
Can you imagine?
Landlord Tifa.
So now between landlord and who they check camera, he no see money. He they protest him. He because he be black. Him in Nigeria want $1,000 on law. Who you want report to?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because you go report to police that they go say okay, you get right to even they work. If you not get papers, I take work.
Problem, yeah.
Wow.
You understand? So they collect the $1,000 on your hand. The money don't go like that. So. Different things they happen like that. That woman, if it's not in a different denomination now, she don't the guidance. Maybe she don't even get house to stay, or she don't want to stay somewhere they go steal the money.
But one thing I know,
just for 500 and 1,000. No other denomination deal. No for 5 naira, no 10 naira, no 500 and 1,000.
Maybe now be the change that should be.
or maybe she don't owe the money for somebody. Go say okay, hold this money and do this thing later. Maybe they can't get information.
But one thing I did sure, if police not seek grant to charge her to court, they not continue detaining her, so they go release that money, give her, settle her, let her go.
The problem with if you don't get grant, I say whether they go even provide them better lawyer to help out.
This person say for Ijora, say beggars for there get pass this money.
Oh,
don't they give
for inside Lagos?
You dey say
Ijora. What be uniform when they wear? You go see me, I be chilling there, chilling with you.
No, with this your, they don't go give you money. You look like person wey don chop belle full.
No, I go rub a black charcoal for everywhere.
Maybe they go, Biko. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Nigeria FM. She station cap.
You get on top the original Nigeria FM 102.7. We radio.